This video, I will show you how you can get paid to click 2022, which is one of the easiest ways to earn free PayPal money. The process is simple. You will get paid per click for free in 2022. You will be promoting a free search engine. Anyone from anywhere in this world can join this. They have a pay-per-click affiliate program, joining to which you will start to make money online with clicks. And more than 10 million people are using this platform from 190 countries. So, this is how you can make money per click 2022. First, when someone will click on your link and visit this site, you will earn 20 cents per each click. Even if the visitors click on the link months after, you will still make money online with clicks. And don't worry, in the end of this video I will show you how you can automate this process so that you can make passive income online. Second, you just need a will to earn money with this, and they will pay you your previous month earnings on the end of each month by PayPal. So you will earn free PayPal money 2022. But the only thing you need to take care of is not to spam your link through email, blog comments, forums, etc. Keep watching and I will help you with that. To make money clicking, you just need a computer, laptop, or a mobile device with an internet connection, and you should know how to click. Also, don't forget, I have a special bonus for you at the end of this video, where I will give you a free tool which will set everything on complete autopilot so you can earn from those clicks passively. This works worldwide. As you can see, anyone from anywhere can join and start earning money within minutes. But for our future videos, comment down below the name of your country so that I can make more videos for you and others watching from your country. Now, the best part is you don't have to sell anything. This is not an affiliate program, this is not a link shortening service, and people don't have to sign up for anything. They don't have to spend any money at all, they just need to click, nothing more and nothing less. And the concept is that more than 3 billion people around the world are using Google as their default or main browser. All this time we're using Google to search one or another thing on the internet and to surf the web. But for this strategy, instead of using Google, we will be using Entireweb.com. Entireweb is also a free search engine just like Google. But the main difference between Google and Entireweb is that Entireweb will actually pay you for each click. Entireweb is one of the best PPC or pay-per-click website. As you can see, it will pay you 20 cents per click that you get, or equivalent to $8 for 40 clicks. The reason why Entireweb is paying you is because the Google is massive competitor and they want to attract more people to use their search engine over Google. They are paying you 20 cents per each click because Google doesn't. And 20 cents per click is pretty good, considering the fact that it's absolutely free. So jump on this as soon as possible and take advantage of the second website that I am about to show you in a minute. This is Entireweb Affiliate Tutorial, and I will show you how to use Entireweb Affiliate Program in 2022. First of all, come over to Entireweb.com. Once you're here, you have to click this menu button on the top left corner, and that's going to give you all these categories like Home, Free Tools, SEO, Site Analytics, Advertise, Affiliate, Articles, and so on. But you have to focus on only one category which is going to make you money. And that's Affiliate, so just click on it. And don't worry, you don't have to sell anything or make people buy something or pay for something. In fact, Entireweb will pay you 20 cents per click that you get, so that you can get other people that are using Google to start using Entireweb.com. And if they use your link, you will earn 20 cents for each click that you get, which is just awesome. As I mentioned earlier, there are 3 billion people who are using Google on daily basis, so there is huge potential. Even if you send 100 people to Entireweb daily, you will be able to make good money with Entireweb. And the best part is because it's all absolutely free, they have high conversion rates. They just need to surf the web using Entireweb.com as they normally do. And the minimum payout value is $50, which may seem a lot, but actually you can easily earn $50 with Entireweb.com and instantly use that money on whatever you like. So, for Entireweb sign up, you need to click on Create Account right here. And on the next page, you need to fill out some information like your first name, last name, your email address, create your password, and retype your password. Choosing your own tracking ID is completely optional, and you can leave it as blank. And in the additional information, you just need to provide your country name. All other fields are optional, and you can leave them as blank also. Then check on I agree to terms and conditions, and click on Sign Up. Now, you will start to make money with Entireweb. And once you log into your account, this is what your dashboard would look like. Here you can see your affiliate manager who will help you if you face any issues. And on the left, if you click on this, banners and links, it will show you different banners which you can use to promote the Entireweb for free. And if you click on reports, you will be able to see different reports like quick stats, trends report, commissions, raw clicks, etc. And if you scroll down a little bit on homepage, you can actually track your clicks and can track the amount of money you have made. Since it is a brand new account, it is obviously going to show 0 clicks and 0 commissions. But once we start promoting it, these will change, and we will receive Entireweb Earn Money, which we can then withdraw by clicking on my profile on the left-hand side and selecting payment details. Then on this page, you have to submit your payment details like your PayPal ID, because you can only get paid through PayPal on the site. In publisher type, you have to select business or individual. In the next box, you have to enter your PayPal name as it is in this box, and the address that you have mentioned on PayPal in this box. Next, you have to provide your social security number or your tax identification number. Then provide your country of residence and country of business. In the minimum payout option, select $50 as your minimum payout limit and hit Save button on the bottom of this page. And like this, you will be able to withdraw your Entireweb Earn Money when you reach the $50 threshold. You can also watch this affiliate panel tutorial video on the bottom of this website for more information. So in order to start receiving those clicks, first you need to grab your affiliate link from the top of your dashboard. This is your special link, so you need to copy this, because whenever someone will go through this link you will get paid 20 cents per click. So you are just referring people to Entireweb, where they can surf the web as they normally do on Google. And for each click, you're getting paid, which is really amazing. Once you copy your link, you can then start sharing it with other people, so you can get the clicks and start to make money online with clicks. You can share your link on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter and other social media platforms, and with your friends and family. That's definitely going to get you some clicks, and that's definitely going to make money with Entireweb. But if you actually want to set this up in complete autopilot, where you have a potential to reach millions of clicks, then you need to use this strategy which I'm about to share. But real quick, if you are enjoying this video, then smash that like button. And if we got 500 likes on this video, I'll share with you the Entireweb payment proof in one of my upcoming videos. Also, subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification so that you don't miss that Entireweb payment proof video. Okay, so first of all, you need to open up Google Docs and open up a blank document. Here you can write something briefly and create a call to action for your affiliate link that takes people to the entireweb.com. You can stop the video and read this. Just paste your affiliate link next to this call to action. These phrases, new and free, will attract more people because they are going to know right away that they don't need to pay anything and they don't have to spend any money. They can just try it out for free, and it only takes them seconds to do this. And now for each click on your special link, you will get paid 20 cents over and over again. Obviously you can create your own script if you want to. So once you're done writing this, just click on the file button on the top and then click on download and select PDF document so you can save it to your computer device. Now, with that PDF document you have to come over to this website which we will be using is called slideshare.net. According to SimilarWeb, SlideShare is being visited regularly by over 70 million people every month from all over the world. So you have a potential to reach over 70 million people with slideshare.net. The good thing is, it's all absolutely free to share whatever article you have. Now, you will be sharing your Google Docs article that includes your Entireweb affiliate link on SlideShare. And through this, you will get the clicks in complete autopilot. People that share articles on this website are getting millions of views. As you can see here, over 1 million views, over 2 million views, over 9 million views, and so on and so forth. Now, I want you to sign up by clicking on the sign up button on the top right corner of the website. You can simply sign up with your Google or Facebook account. Once you're signed in, just click on the upload button right here. Then on this page, click on select documents to upload and upload the PDF file. Wait for it to upload the document and then give it a title. For example, I will type, "This is better than Google," then I will type in free. Then in the description below, just copy this text and paste it here. You can also have your affiliate link in the description. This will enhance the chances of getting more clicks. Then, choose the category from here, and then you can give different tags. The more tags you put, the more people you will reach. Next, make sure privacy is selected at public so that everyone can see it. And then click on publish, and that is it. Now you have a potential to reach over 70 million people. And you can make money with Entireweb on complete autopilot. And if you want to make big money online, then click on the Best Make Money Online playlist, because here I have included all the best videos for you.